Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I make the best and the easiest breakfast potatoes. This recipe is so delicious and so easy to make. The best thing about it, you do not need a lot of ingredients to make it. It's that easy. As you can see, she's very pretty, she's colorful, she tastes good, she smells good. Like, come on girl. Okay guys, let's get started. To start, we're going to need our potatoes. We're gonna need some bell peppers. I will be using 2 and 1 onions. For this recipe, I will not be using a lot of seasoning. I will be using only 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black peppers, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some dry parsley. And of course, we're gonna need some bacon. I love me some crispy bacon. You need like a good amount of bacon to make that recipe. To start, we're gonna wash our potato. We're gonna peel them. We're going to cut them into small pieces. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video if it was helpful, and comment down below to let me know if you will be trying my recipe. After we cut them, we're gonna put them in some water. We're gonna soak them, and after that we're gonna dry them into like a clean towels. We're going to fry our bacon. The reason I put some oil is because I will be using the oil to fry my potatoes. I will not be boil them. That's the reason why I added some oil. I know the bacon will give me a good amount of oil. After I fry the potatoes, I will be draining the water because the oil, like, come on, water. I will be draining the oil because we don't need the oil in that recipe. After 10 minutes, the potato already ready. It's already cooked, golden brown, like very crispy. I love the color. After we drain the oil, we're gonna add our bell peppers, onions. Now I'm adding the seasoning. I added 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of fresh dry parsley. And guys, I did added some black peppers and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now I'm adding my bacon. Smell amazing, and that's it guys. You don't need anything else. We're gonna just let it like simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to taste it to see if everything's if it's giving what it's supposed to give. This is like one of my favorite breakfasts. This always be part of my breakfast. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if it was helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.